go.
Okay, here we go.
Go.
Watch for your mother.
That's me. There's Diane. There's my mother, I guess. Or Terry. I can't look at it. Oh, there's George. There's me. That looks like Terry. Oh, and that Chevy convertible. Oh, I used to love that car.
Every family should have a convertible.
We actually have some film of the family. And that was Sasha, I think, Terry's dog. Get a lot of the dog. There's Laura with her bubble. Got her bubble. Back to the dog. In slow motion.
Amazing. Slow-mo.
Can't tell who that is. See, I have to look through the little camera screen to see what I'm recording. And it's kind of small. So, does this look like we're... I think we're... Well, nope, that's going to Granny's house.
Oh, yeah.
And there's Granny. And there... Uh-oh, we got darkness. Oop. Something happening here, unfortunately.
You don't go to Granny's every Sunday?
No. This, I'm sure, was a special day, like Thanksgiving or something.
Well, that's your granddad.
Yep.
Granddad went to MIT, you know.
Now this is the kind of film we should have on everything. You know, the family. Stupid parades and horses and Venezuela. Driving in the car.
'55 Chevy. Who was that?
I have to think of her name. Not sure who these people are. Must have been neighbors of Granny's. I don't know what the heck this is. I don't want to keep going if it's doesn't get into something. Oh, that is my father's father.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's Jaji. Wow. How did that get there on that part of the film? This is going further back in time. That looks like my father, maybe. I can't tell because I'm looking at the tiny screen. Don't know who that is. There's Diane. And George.
This might be a keeper here. George was the victor.
Is it getting near the end?
I can't tell. Probably.
Oh, there's my mother. She was probably in the apartment with me. Is that the end?
That's